Okay everyone, so basically this is the first day of the E30 project rebuild. I've got to go far away actually to go and pick up a part, and the car is actually moving from where I last showed you in the video, in the first introduction video. We're actually towing it all the way to my dad's, so that's going to be quite eventful to be honest, because that could go really good and no problems, or it could go wrong and we've got a crashed car. Yeah, so I'm in a rush, that's why I'm talking so fast. I'm a bit, not stressed as such, but I'm excited as well because we've got a lot of things to do today. And the reason I've got to go quite far away to buy the part, we're painting the rocker cover basically, so I have to buy a new gasket for the rocker cover, because if I take it off and put it back, there's going to be problems. So we need a new gasket on there, so I've got to go quite far away to go and get the gasket, come back, we're going to tow the car, take it to my dad's, then we'll start work on the car. There's not going to be much talking, but a lot of, you know, edits and stuff like that, but apart from that, I'll see you probably at the end of the video. I'll do something at the end of the video, but yeah, just enjoy the video. And I've got to go, oh shit, I nearly broke my camera. We've got all the stuff here. All the stuff's been resprayed, apart from this grill. This grill hasn't, I need to get a new one, but I'm putting it, oh, it's on focus, it's on autofocus. Basically, as you can see there, that is, it's been chipped, and I need to buy a new one, but all this stuff has been resprayed. We've got stuff in there, got to change the power steering belt pump, things like that. Very busy, looking forward to it. Let's just get on with the first little bits of getting this car back to a 10 out of 10. So yeah, let's just get on with the day. I hope it starts up. So as you can see, grills are all off. I'm going to put all those on. Do you know what? I like this without the actual cap for the wheels that has BMW on it. I prefer them when it's like this. Oh, I love the car so much. Look at it. Beastly. Another thing is this wing mirror is silver and the other one's black. And I'll just put the spoiler on in a minute, wipe that down. Oh god, I'm excited. I just hope my dad turns up, so let's just get to it. As you can see now, the grille is looking fresh, just apart from that bit, to be honest. Autofocus on. Yeah, we might need to get rid of that M badge at some point, because it was on the car. Found it in the boot, I put it on, but you can see those black bits behind it, so we might take that off. I'm sure a lot of people will hate that. But yeah, apart from this bit of the grille, it's a little bit faded, because we need to get a new one of this. As you can see, looking good indeed. So I've moved it out a bit, as you can see. Man, I've done that with one hand pretty much. So yeah, let's get, oh, you can see this rust. This is something else we've got to fix here as well. Another thing, you know, there's many little bits that he's doing on it, but the first job that actually, what I'm going to do when it's at my dad's, is the engine is going to get a nice makeover. So what we're going to do, we are painting this rocker cover. Apologies for the squeaking, that's another job. The belt, it sounds like it's going to cut out in a sec, so I better get it rolling. So what we'll do now is just get the spoiler on, because my dad should be here soon. So as you can see, the spoiler looks, oh, I'm actually so excited. Like, this looks so good now. Like before it looked so bad. I actually forgot what it looked like with the spoiler, but oh my god. Like, you have to be here to understand that how good that actually looks on it. Bearing in mind this did actually come with the car, because you can't say that I've added it, because this was generally a genuine BMW part. Under this bit here, we did cover it up, but it's actually a BMW part. Basically, I've just arrived at my dad's. That was very, very, very scary because I was braking for him. So when I put my foot on the brake, I could smell the brakes smoking. Like, look, I'm well sweaty. I'm so literally, I was like proper tense. Like my feet were shaking because we're on the main road, right? And my dad's going, stop, 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 and I'm putting my foot on the brake, like full on. The brakes, I can smell them so bad. And then I did end up stopping, but I thought I was going straight in the back of him, and then I had to use a handbrake as well. That was pretty scary, but we arrived at my dad's, and the engine didn't cut out for some reason, which I thought it would have, but now it's got a flat battery. So, you know, the battery is a new thing we've got to get for the car as well. Finally here. Like, I am so excited now. There's not much left to the video now. I'm just going to quickly show what my dad done. Like, basically, we thought the car had to be resprayed, but he's used a polisher and a buffer and used T-cut. And oh my god, it's the best restorer for red, like, or any kind of shine. Like, I've got to show you in a sec. Right, just look at this, right? Before, after, basically a new car. Look at that. But yeah, we're at my dad's. It's all done. Let's say I'm gonna wrap up the video here because I've got to go back. My dad's got to drop me back at my car. But oh, we're finally here, boys. We're finally where it should be, so we can finally work on it, get the series going. I'm so excited. Yeah. Apart from that, that's the end of the video. Many more videos coming now regularly for the car and get it back on the road. It's going to look so good. But yeah, if you're new around here, join the journey, subscribe, like the video, and I will see you around the next video. And if you've got any advice, anything about E30s, let me know. But yeah, apart from that, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, time to chill out.